What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. We're gonna take a look at Bitcoin. Obviously, yeah, I'm gonna share a couple articles, so just write-ups that I did on these two interesting articles. Some main points. We're gonna get some takeaways there. DXY is pumping. What that means for the market. We're gonna take a look at the global liquidity index. It's dropping lately, and what that means. And there's so many good altcoins to buy right now. There is so much opportunity. Are you scared? Are you scared? Let's talk about the other part of that, is being brave and trying to buy. We'll take a look at some altcoins that you could possibly look at, because there's, again, so many good altcoins and good buying opportunities right now. And so without further ado, let's do this. So let's try to get some color first. So let's get some color first. Let's look at this information first. Bitcoin has flashed a buy signal according to its MVRV, market value to realized value ratio, which measures profitability across holders. The 30-day and 90-day MVRV ratios are currently negative, indicating that most Bitcoin holders would be selling at a loss, suggesting a potential buy opportunity. However, caution remains, as Bitcoin's relative strength index RSI is at 44.88, showing selling pressure outweighs buying. Currently, key support levels to watch. Well, the same ones. We'll take a look at that. Okay. Obviously, failure to hold that would mean more downside. Okay. Let's continue to some key takeaways from an interesting article. Bitcoin demand has weakened amid escalating Middle East tensions. That's a big downer. According to a new analysis, the net taker volume dropped by over 150 million since Iran fired missiles at Israel, indicating significant selling pressure. Analysts note that despite a rise in long-term holders, short-term demand is lacking, with many short-term holders sending Bitcoin to exchanges at a loss. However, QPC Capital analysts believe the downturn is temporary, with a potential recovery if U.S. stocks rally and macroeconomic factors improve. But they did mention how they see things, it is bullish. They believe that the macroeconomic factors will improve according to them, so they are bullish, and really so am I. Bitcoin right now having a green day, but look at the little bodies. Look at the little bodies forming. Okay, that could signify that there's a big move coming. Which direction? Let's see. But there's a fight right now between the bulls and bears, and we are clearly stuck right between this little triangle this last couple of days, right? Last 3 days really, right? Inside of this little yeah, it is a triangle, right? But the point is facing that way into I guess I forget what else they call it. It's kind of like an opening mouth, right? So anyways, that's 60,800, and we're right in between there. So far, this lower part has been holding support. Right now, today, that would be at around 59,700. I don't want to see us lose. I don't know if we're gonna. I really don't know. It could be that we're gonna touch 58,164, but it all really depends. I don't know. I don't think so. Okay, my gut tells me no. I don't think so. But you never know. I have been wrong before. But if I am, it's close. Okay, it's close. This is the MVRV, by the way, but this is the MVRV Z score. Okay, as you can see where we are right here. It's a little different, but it's still indicative of something, right? And it's indicative that it's a good area to buy in, or at least to hold, right? If you don't have any more capital, I would at least be holding. Now let's take a look, because I don't know that we're gonna drop here. Maybe we hang out here for a little bit longer. I would like to see us break above 61,200. That would be ideal. But let's see. Let's take it day by day. But I think maybe just maybe we are hopefully gonna hold this and move up from here. Okay. For this upward moves to be completely invalidated, basically, right? So for it just be done, and now would be in a downward move, we'd have to really drop below 57,500. Okay, we'd have to lose this line and drop again further right here. All right, that would just mean that this uptrend is invalidated. Now we're going down, or maybe just holding like we have before. But I don't know. I don't think so. We still have a little bit of time though, right? This is the beginning of October. We could spend the first half of October down here, and then the second half of October up here. I could see that. My bias is still towards the upside, although short term we could have a little bit more pain. What tells me that is the US dollar index. Okay, and look at this, last 4 days it's just pumped hard, right? Well, relatively hard. When you take things in perspective, you see that we're still going down, but really moved out of there. Boom. And that's because of the uncertainty, because of the war stuff. I don't know how much longer it lasts, and I don't know how much higher it can go. Although one area of interest would be right here, 102.90. Right now it's at 101.9. All right, that would be it. Actually, right here, you could see a little bit of resistance at 102, but the bigger line I would see is that again, the 102.9. Okay. Dow Jones, we got to take a look at this stuff. Just a quick peek. Dow Jones, NASDAQ. I don't see anything bad, guys. I really don't. I'm actually, again, extremely bullish. Let's see Bitcoin. Okay, look, the dominance is going up. That's positive. Ooh, and we dropped this in the altcoins below 200, and we are holding hopefully 200 million. Right now we're 200 billion. I'm sorry. Right now we're at 203. We had dropped wick below it, but let's see if we hold on it and fake out back into this little triangle. Crazy, huh? But that's just the volatility. The volatility works both ways. Again, right now, if you had guts, and I do, I would be buying. And again, this shows me that altcoins, there's just so many good deals out there, just for good ones. They're giving you another chance. Bitcoin always gives you, crypto, I'm sorry, not just Bitcoin, crypto always gives you a second chance. The altcoins especially give you a second chance at certain price levels, at certain price points, guys. Okay, so if you ever miss something, just wait, be patient. You know, there's so many other opportunities as well. There's a lot of good projects out there. There's a lot more crap, but there's some good projects. And again, I've mentioned before, I only hold in for a cycle, right? I buy in a cycle and I sell in that cycle. Ideally, I'd buy in the bear market and then you sell in the bull market. Easy money. But we're in the bull market now, so I mean, buying gets a little bit more tricky, but we still have some time to get it in, because again, altcoins are very volatile, as you can see, and they do come back down hard, you know. But that would just be area to be picking up, you know, for this bull run, guys. This bull run is gonna be awesome. Make no mistake about it. Okay, so let's take a look at then altcoins, right? So let's take a look at altcoins that I like fast as we possibly can. So there could be some more downside, right? And to summarize, there could be some more downside, but I think the downside is limited for Bitcoin and crypto. Okay, maybe we still have a little bit ways to go, but I mean, I would be nibbling at these levels. Okay, Rio, it's at $1.11. Remember, it just pumped as high as $1.40, guys. Getting a chance at $1 again, fantastic. Could it drop again? Could it come back down to this? I mean, if Bitcoin continues to drop, if we lose 58,000, yeah, I could see us coming back down here. So I mean, I'd still be nibbling, because it could be that we turn around right now, all right? If you believe the MVRV score, right? So let's see. I'd still be nibbling. Okay, definitely. Rio is one that you should definitely have. Mr. Miggles is another one that I think you should definitely have. And as we have thought, we are struggling with the 0.0335, 0.03334. Okay, this top line right here, as you can see, right? We are struggling with it, but that has happened before. And if we don't make it, then I think I can see this going back down. Again, it depends on what the rest of the market does, but I mean, I would be nibbling here at the bottom part of this line, 0.025, 0.026. Right now it's at 0.026, right? I would be nibbling here because this is a channel, and I don't know how long we'd be in this channel, and I don't know if we can break up above it before it decides to turn around. I don't know. I'm kind of 50-50, but I'm just watching it because I really, to me, I believe in this project. So even if it does drop, I think this project is going to do extremely well, incredibly well. Meme coin play, incredible, isn't it? Toshi, okay, see the triangle? I'm sure you see it, and it's trying. The last time I tried, this was kind of nothing, right? But the last time it really tried was right here, June 5th, 4th, June 5th to the 12th. All right, so it still has and it tried for a while, right? Yeah, June 2nd to the more or less to the 12th. Yeah, crazy. So it tried a while. Okay, let's see. 26th of September right now, 3rd of October. Let's see if it kind of comes down a little bit. I don't know if we drop too much. Okay, this project is going to do extremely well too. Toshi on base projects, man. You should be looking at base projects. Base is going to kill it. Trias, let's take a look at Trias for a quick second. Oh, look at this after this drop finally. Okay, so maybe this is the bottom. Okay, people I know did try to buy this because they thought, why not? Technically it's a good project. Chart wise, looks like crap. Creo engine, as you can see, it has been moving up, right? Easily, clear as day. Let's bring it back a little bit right here, and it's still moving up. I mean, Creo should be screaming "buy me" right now to you. Another one? You want another one? I'll give you another one soon. First, 0.0085. Holding a lot stronger than I thought. I thought maybe that we would get rejected here, but I thought we'd probably drop down here, 0.006, and maybe even go all the way back down here. But holding, and I'm not saying that can't happen, right? If everything goes to crap, it will as well. But if this is the local bottom, then maybe, just maybe, this is also at 0.0085 for soon bursts before it comes up. What else? UBXS, I like UBXS, although this pump up to 13 cents and it's dropped. Hopefully it holds right here at 0.09. Again, there's a lot of stuff that I would be buying. I would be nibbling because I don't know if we can go a little lower, but I mean, again, my bias is towards the upside. So again, I would be nibbling. Sinverse, man, I know the price action is horrible, but I'm telling you, man, it doesn't take long. Just nibble a little bit. And Sinverse is one. Just nibble a little bit. Buy 100,000 of those things, or 200,000, and when it gets to $1, you can send me like 10 grand. I don't know, a Rolex, whatever you want. Prop base. Do we like this chart? I honestly, I do. Does it come back down here to a 0.010? It might. I would be nibbling at 11 cents. Look how high it just went recently, 14 cents. This one's gonna be all right. A lot of people really like this one. And sometimes it's just manifest destiny, guys. What else? What else do I like right now that I would say worth looking at? GC, my this big pump. Let's see if it holds right here. If it holds right here, I'd be bullish. Give it another few days, a week or something. If it just kind of holds and it doesn't come back down, then I would be buying a little bit. GLQ, I think GLQ is going to do well. What do we have for time? Okay, 0.0855. We got to get over that. Right now it's at 0.0776. Okay, I think it will. Again, it depends what the rest of the market does, but these are the ones that I have some interest in. I do have other ones that I'm kind of looking at, right? Sync, InfraX. I don't know about that volume. Quantum Fusion also, although I don't think they know what the community apparently doesn't know exactly what it is they're doing because it's so out there. But I don't know. We'll see. I'm just watching them, but something to put on your radars as well. My Telegram group already knew that, but still, I'm still watching them. I did add another one as well here, but we'll save that for another day. Bitcoin is looking all right. Let's take a look real quickly. 1 hour. Creo Engine, man. I would look at Creo Engine. Not AI is on my watch list. I don't know if these numbers are right, but if it is, that's 900,000 market cap and 2.7 million in volume. That's pretty cool. That's why it's on my watch list. But I don't know if the circulating supply, if that's correct, then I don't like that. Anyways, things to look at. All right, guys. I think that's it. Let's see what happens. Let's hope that cooler heads prevail, right? And this war stuff stops. We could really use that boost. But even so, with that said, I think the market will turn around. I am extremely bullish. Extremely bullish. I think the end of this year, I'm still sticking to 80 to 100 until something changes. 80 to 100,000, and in 2025, 200 to 250,000 per Bitcoin. All right, you heard it here a million times. All right, we'll leave it there. If you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. I'm trying to grow this channel, and all that stuff really does help. All that said, see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.